morning, mommies. Today in this video, I want to let you know how I prepare my baby's meal. It's been several weeks. I am just starting to prepare Young's meal, and I was searching on the internet how can I prepare a good, simple, and healthy meal for my baby. And in one blog, I found that one mommy is using this beautiful calendar. It is a scheduler for baby's meal. You can write on the ingredients and the quantity and plan for your baby's meal. And I asked her, how did you get this? And she answered me that she is using this Mama You called application. And this is the recipe book, and this is the scheduler that you can get this on free when you order the ingredient kits. You don't really need to order these kits, but as you have to pay for the sending fee, I just try to make a meal for the prepare these kits. So I received this prepared ingredients on Monday. This kit is like, it is already prepared for the small portion for babies. And so this one is potatoes, and this one is the broccoli. So I will start to show you how can I make with this prepared kit. So this is our Young, who is really so this is my baby Young, who is very happy and excited, waiting for his healthy meal after having such a sweet dream. And the first thing that you have to check is make sure your recipe, how can you prepare the baby's meal here. You can also read this book one by one. There's a step and ingredients that you can prepare. So we are just beginners, so you have to check very first pages. But you have also this QR code here that you can enter, and they tell you how to prepare with these kits. So let's move on. So now I just open the kit, and these are the rice powder, and this is the potato, just 10 grams. So the first thing you have to do is boil the water and put this potato and make it cooked. So while our potato is getting prepared, we will continue to prepare our rice powder. They gave me this white one, but rather than using this white one, I would like to let you know we are using the brown rice. This is the much better for the healthier food for our first baby. You can use also the white one. The people say this is better for the digest, as it is their first meal. But it is your choice that you are using to make your own food for babies. So we will measure the grams here. So this is almost 10 grams, and the quantity of water, as this is the powder, you can multiply 20, so it's gonna be 200 milliliters of water. So we will make the powder melting with water. This is just normal temperature water. Make sure, because it's not gonna be melt in hot water. So you can just shake it until it's melt enough. Now it is melted the brown rice powder in the water, and I'm happy to let you know our potato is ready. And Juyang is shouting. You can just check like this. Yeah, it's ready. So even this is just a small portion, you have to smash it to make it softer. So here is our smashed potato. So now we have to start the powdered water boiled. And when the water starts to boil, you can put inside your smashed potatoes. And make it stirring it until you like the density of the soup. Now baby is crying. So finally, our potato soup is well prepared. The final things to do is, can you see these little things in it? You only have to filter it so that your baby can easily swallow the soup. So we have here this filter, including in the equipment that I purchased in the internet. Let's see how it goes. Can you see? It is filtering. Actually, this is my very first experience on filtering. So do you see how is it filtering down inside? It's like this. So this is the very first potato soup that your baby will going to have soon. And this upper one of the rest of it, this is what I'm going to taste. Juyang, your meal is prepared. Stop eating your food. Stop eating your feed. Instead of feed, you will have to have this food. So this is for the baby dish. You just put the quantity for the baby. I'm gonna give him only 20-30 millis. He don't eat much that faster, so this quantity will for Juyang. Hello, this is our baby Ju, who is perfectly ready for his meal. Today's meal, mother prepared this potato soup. Please make sure the temperature of soup is not too hot, not too cold, and your baby is not too hungry, but not too full. Okay? Before the meal, we have to pray first. Okay? Let's pray. Let's pray. God our Father, God our Father, once once again. Thank you for a blessing. Thank you for a blessing. 아멘. 아멘. 잘 먹겠습니다. 아이고 잠깐. Open your eye. 오케이. 아이고 맛있다. 아이고 잘 먹네요. 아이고 잘 먹어요. Not your hand. Open your mouth. Open your mouth, not your hand, please. Eating too much actively. 아이고 맛있다. 잘 먹네요. Wow, he must be very happy to have the meal mom cook. Okay, eat by yourself. 지영이가 이유식을 다 먹었습니다. 트름까지 했어요. Now he's done with his meal. The schedule for every day's meal is 10 a.m. and 3 p.m. twice a day. We were doing just once with just rice, but with vegetables is twice a day. It's only for practicing until he gets accustomed to it. So thank you for watching and enjoy cooking your baby's meal with Esther and with God. It's done. Oh my. 지영이가 이유식 다 먹어가지고요. 이제 닦아줄 거예요. 에이, 지영아. 잘 닦아야지. 뭐가 웃겨? 응? 그렇게 웃겨?